Hello. Welcome to the English story for CEFR A1. Today, we're talking about a trip to the market. But first, here are some words you need to know. Market.
ตลาด
Big.
ใหญ่
Busy.
ไม่ว่าง
Fruit.
ผลไม้
Shop.
ร้านค้า
Apple.
แอปเปิ้ล
Banana.
กล้วย
Orange.
ส้ม
Vegetable.
ผัก
Carrot.
แครอท
Tomato.
มะเขือเทศ
Potato.
มันฝรั่ง
Fish.
ปลา
Small.
เล็ก
Table.
โต๊ะ
Food.
อาหาร
Fun.
สนุก
Home.
บ้าน
Now, let's begin the story. Emma and her mom go to the market. The market is big and busy. Emma holds her mom's hand. First, they go to the fruit shop. Emma sees apples, bananas, and oranges. Can we buy some bananas? Emma asks. Her mom says, yes. Next, they go to the vegetable shop. There are carrots, tomatoes, and potatoes. Emma helps her mom put carrots in the bag. Then, they go to the fish shop. Emma sees big fish and small fish. I like the small fish, she says. After shopping, they go home. Emma helps her mom put the food on the table. The market is fun, Emma says. Thank you for listening. See you next time.